Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and this brand new video is going to be showing you how to get Walgreens promo codes in 2024, and these are by far the best available Walgreens coupon codes that you're going to get. These are going to save you at least $100 off your next order, and this is a simple promo code that you can apply on the website during the checkout process. So let me record my mobile phone and show you how to get yours. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes and it's pretty easy. So you have to use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which phone you have. Open up the internet and type this website: www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video, make sure you copy it exactly how I've typed it, because you need to go to Top Dog Codes. This website is absolutely awesome. They have so many different pages, but basically you need to search for the Walgreens page. So go to the search bar, just start typing in Walgreens, and it should pop up here. You can recognize the logo as well. It says Walgreens coupons and deals. Open that page up and scroll down. Now you can select between two different codes, and you can see, guys, there are so many coupons remaining, and it's also been rated 5 stars. So you have to select which code you want, so you can calculate which one's going to save you more. Obviously, if you're looking to spend a lot of money on Walgreens, the 50% off code may be more beneficial. But yeah, just select the code you want. So click on show coupon, and this is going to pop up, guys. You can see it gives us the start of the code, but it blocks out the second half. We need to unlock that, guys. Obviously these codes are pretty valuable, so this just prevents people from creating robots and programs and stealing the codes. So tap unlock code. Okay, now you're going to see this screen here that says code unlocker, and we need to follow the instructions on this page to verify ourselves and unlock our Walgreens promo code. So we need to basically, guys, long story short, we need to complete 2 tasks on this page and ensure we do follow the instructions below each one. So the one at the top is a free game, and it basically says you have to download the game, then complete level 8. Alternatively, you may see some surveys such as this one at the bottom, where it says basically answer the questions and enter your email, basically complete all of the steps. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose 2, and then I'll complete them. I'll pause the video just so the video is not too long, and then I'll return once I've done them. Okay, guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just went ahead and completed 2 tasks. So I did that survey you probably saw me open up, and then I just downloaded this game at the top, and I had to play it until I completed level 8. It was a fun game, so I didn't actually mind doing that one. But yeah, they're all completely free. You just have to basically choose 2 and follow the instructions and complete them. And now you've done that, and you've fully followed the instructions, press the tabs button, and you should now see this Walgreens coupons tab down here that, when opened up, it will now display your Walgreens promo code. And in this case, this is my $100 off code that I'm going to be using in a few minutes, and this is going to remove $100 off my entire basket. Obviously I have to make sure I add at least $100 to the basket for this code to be valid and working. So that is it, guys. So do you want your Walgreens promo code? You're going to have to go to topdogcodes.com, and I hope you found this video useful and it saved you money. Make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video to get your promo code, and have a great new year, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.